Dirty van from rescue day, mud and dust are in the way. Tony says let's make it clean, shiniest van you've ever seen, tiniest van without delay. Tony grabs the hose so fast, cleaning fun is here at last. Soap and brushes all around, happy washing will be found, make the dirt a thing of past. Splash, splash, water, spray so high, drops go dancing through the sky. Tony washes every part, working with a happy heart. Watch the muddy dirt go by, bubbles floating big and bright, foamy fun is such a sight. Tony scrubs the van with care, soap and sparkles air. Tony scrubs the van with care, soap and sparkles everywhere, making everything shine white. Big wheels turning clean and round, sparkly tires can now be found. Tony brushes mud away, helping shine them up today, helping shine them up today. Cleanest wheels around the bound, Ertes locked to town. Cleanest wheels around the town, Crottsdale's around the town. Splash, splash, water, spray so high, drops go dancing through the sky. Tony washes every part, working with a happy heart. Watch the muddy dirt go by, windows shining in the sun, cleaning glasses, lots of fun. Tony wipes them nice and clear, making friendly eyes a stun. Water rinses soap away, making colors bright today. Clean and fresh, the van shines bright, sparkling in the sunlight. Tony cheers and jumps with glee, proud as he can be. Soft cloth wipes the drops away, making shine come out to play. Tony dries each little part, doing it with happy heart, doing it with happy heart. Bright and clean, the van will stay. Emergency van looks new, red and blue light shining too. Tony smiles and waves goodbye, sparkles twinkle in the sky. Great job done by Tony, true. Once finished your sheet.